So wait, Julia, on video, what did it say on the front of it? Or show it?
Or to me, from Mom, Dad, and Sam. Thank you, all three of you.
We're gonna send the video to your dad. So
yeah. Hold on, I'm gonna get a better angle here.
she's like down in my bed.
I need your knife now. Getting better at it. Soon I'll be fast enough to protect myself. Like, is going on. Woke her from her slumber. Yeah, you can do it. Oh, what?
Using the muscles.
I don't have any anymore. Sport is over.
I gotta start going to the gym.
I don't like the gym. Look, can I end with my box?
Move the big box out of the way.
Yeah, give me the big box.
It's actually just boxes inside boxes inside boxes. That's what I jokingly said to Mom. I said Julia then.
What did that box say?
Said Heather Cooper.
No, what did the wrap? Was there something on that? Yeah, right there. It says somewhere.
Maybe not.
I don't see anything on there.
Oh wait, there's a little folded tag. Is there on there? Hang on, I'll find it. Yeah. Maybe I'm like this. Julie, right? No. Why? Oh, I thought that was it.
I need your knife in there.
Oh wait.
I didn't put a tag on that one.
What was it supposed to say?
Nothing.
Oh my goodness, it's another box.
Well, maybe the gift will be worth it.
Maybe. I love how I jokingly said that to you and then it's actually true.
So let's see, we had the big box wrapped, second box wrapped. Oh,
It's very heavy. Let's see. This one doesn't say anything on it.
I thought you put stuff on them. We talked about it. It didn't happen.
There's batteries. It's actually just a box full of batteries. Congrats. Oh my god, it's another one.
Now that one says something. Yes, okay.
Well, with much love and excitement for your future. Love, Mom, Dad, and Sam. Cute.
Oh, jeez.
Yep. Whoa. Is this a computer? Is it a laptop?
It's a MacBook Air.
Cool! Oh my god, this is so perfect. Thank you.
It's got all the bells and whistles we thought you would need. Like, you know, because you pick and choose specifics. It's not just here's a MacBook Air. It's here's the MacBook Air with this figure.
stuff. I asked my education major friends what would be the best computer for
And then we
an
just
invasion.
and then we figured out like how much. What did we? Memory and.
yeah, we
Speed and-
increased the RAM off the standard build.
So it's faster.
Oh yeah, that was that color. Isn't that cool? No, it's like a gray.
There's
like
no, it's like very thin. Almost like graphite.
Right? Is that insane? Look how little it is.
It just powered up
It
too.
just turned on.
but I thought that color was really cool.
It says hello.
Doesn't it also say hola and like,
Yeah, it's all in
every
different languages, yeah.
Oh,
don't break it.
Alright, I'm gonna stop the video, so.
thank you.